By 2030, we will have 570 zettabytes of data, which is around 10 times more than today. With so many startups and MNCs built every day and the data growing on an unimaginable scale, data science is going to be highly in demand right now. Tools and techniques are an integral part of this industry. So here are 5 tools that will help you grow and excel in the field of data science. Number 1. Tensorflow. Tensorflow is a powerful and widely used open source machine learning library developed by Google. It was released in 2015 and has become one of the most popular libraries for building and developing machine learning models, especially those based on deep learning. A wide variety of neural network architects, including CNNs, RNNs, and more. TensorFlow also supports distributed computing and has extensive support for neural networks. Tableau is a powerful visualization tool and allows its user to create interactive and visually appealing charts, graphs, and dashboards. Tableau also allows these dashboards to be shared with others. These dashboards can include multiple visualizations, filters, and other controls that allows the users to explore the data and find insights on their own. It is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for users who have little or no experience with data analysis or visualization. Moving on to number 3, Power BI. Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft that allows its users to connect to a wide variety of data sources, transform and model the data to create interactive visualizations and reports. Once the data is loaded into Power BI, users can transform and model the data using the built-in data modeling and data transformation capabilities. This allows the users to clean, reshape, and aggregate the data to prepare it for analysis. One of the key features of Power BI is its ability to integrate with other Microsoft products like Excel and SharePoint. This allows the users to leverage their existing Microsoft investments and share their reports and dashboards with others in the organization. Number 4. Numpy. Numpy is a fundamental library in the Python ecosystem that provides support for efficient array operations, linear algebra, mathematical functions, and more. It is widely used in data science because of its performance, easy to use, and powerful features. Numpy is efficient and fast. It also includes tools for random number generation, which can be very useful for simulations. It provides a wide range of distribution such as normal, uniform, and more, and allows the users to specify the size of the output data. Lastly, number 5. Pandas. Pandas is a popular library in the Python ecosystem and is widely used in data science and analytics. It provides fast, flexible, and expressive data structures that is designed to make working with labeled or relational data both easy and intuitive. One of the key strengths of Pandas is its ability to work with tabular data. It provides a powerful data frame object that can be used to represent and manipulate tabular data such as spreadsheets and SQL tables. Pandas also provides support for data cleaning and manipulation. It provides a wide range of functions for handling missing data, reshaping data, and more. These functions can be used to clean and prepare the data for analysis. So those are the 5 tools that will help you excel in the field of data science. If you have more doubts about data science, you can drop in a comment, and for more such content around working professionals and career growth, subscribe to Newton School. I'll see you all in the next video.